Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make a toner with star anise. Star anise is a magical little spice. It has a lot of benefit for your skin. Adding the star anise into a towel because I want to crush it. After crushing the star anise, I'll be adding it into a bowl. I'll be pouring some hot water and allow it to soak for about 4 hours. Use the boiling method and boil it for about 4 minutes. Store the toner in a container. Finally, the star anise toner is ready. Thank you all for watching.